want to say thank you so much to Kimberly Bailey, Charles Terrell, City of Las Vegas, but especially you two. You guys are trailblazers and you're mentors to all of us. And I just want to be you when I grow up. I'm so honored to be here and so grateful and humble to receive this award from you. I don't know what I did to be worthy, but God has a purpose for all of us, and I just try to use music and whatever I can to bring joy to the masses and to people. And through music is how I do it, and I thank you so much for recognizing that. Woo! You're awesome. Thank you.